I'm getting ready to show you how you can make relaxation videos just like this without ever showing your face, ever spending a dime, and how you can do it for free on your computer. I'm getting ready to tell you where you can go to find the footage, how you can get free sounds for your videos, and how you can upload them to your YouTube channel so that you can gain some traction and possibly generate some income. Stay tuned. So we are going to jump right in, and I'm going to show you quickly the type of video. So this is the type of video that we are going to make during this tutorial. And I know you probably think that this is going to be complicated, but it is not. And your girl is going to show you how to create a channel like this. It's for relaxation, for studying, for sleeping, for meditation, for prayer. So now we are going to go over to a site that's called Pexels. So if you just type in www.pexels.com, you should be able to pull up this site. So for starters, what we want to do is find a video that would suit you, that you think would be a great video for relaxation. Now, with Pexels, it is free to use this website. Once you download the video that you want, you're able to give a donation to the person who created the video, but the video is free to use. Let's go with this one. And then when you open it up, you can take a look at the video. And if you like it, you would just go up here where it says free download in the upper right-hand corner. You would click free download and see right here where you can give the person a donation. Right here, right now, we're not going to give the person a donation. And then our video is going to download onto your device, okay? And from here, we are going to go to a website called Canva.com. Now, I'm not sure if you all are familiar with Canva, but it is a website that allows you to, you can do so much within Canva, but they have a free version and they have a paid version. I have the premium paid version. You do not have to use the premium paid version. You can use the free version. We're going to create a video. Okay, so you would click on video. And then from here, that video that we downloaded from Pexels.com, we're going to upload it. Okay, so we would simply just go over here to our uploads. You would click on uploads. You would click on upload files. And from your upload files, we're going to click on the video that we just downloaded from Pexels, right? And then we're going to click on open. And what's going to happen is that video that we uploaded from our Pexels Studio is going to import inside of Canva. Okay, did you see how easy that was? So once we import this inside of Canva, we can stretch this video and make it fit the screen, right? So that's our video. So now that we have our video in here, we want to add some sound to this video. I'm going to click on elements first, and then I'm going to type in rain because I want the sound of rain. And click on audio because what I want is rain audio. And from here, let's see here, raindrops. Let's see how this sounds. So that sounds good to me. It's just raindrops. So I'm going to drag that music over here, right? And I'm going to pull it to where it's starting when the video starts. So you would just stretch this out down here like this. And then I wanted to make mention, as you can see, your video is 14.8 seconds. Now you can lengthen your video. So what we're going to do is we're taking a look, and we want this video to be longer. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to make this this video for about, let's just say 5 minutes. But you can make this video as long as you want it to be. So if you want it to be a 15-minute YouTube video, if you want it to be a 30-minute, an hour-long video, you would just keep duplicating this video. And how you duplicate it is you click on the buttons and you click duplicate page, and it's going to create another page. And then we just keep duplicating this until you get the time that you want. Now, if you don't want to have to keep duplicating this page, you could just choose a longer video from Pexels, or you can choose a longer video from whatever site that you want to use as your source for getting videos like this. Your music, you would just stretch it to fit the time for the video. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably wondering, with the plus signs, would this make a difference in how your video sounds? No. So once I download this video, it's going to smooth out, okay? So it won't be any interruptions in between where I extended the video or duplicated the video. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the beginning and see how that works. That's my video. And then I usually go up here and I title my video, Rain Music. I title my video, right? I usually even put YouTube so that I'll know what I'm doing, what type of video this is when I download it, okay? And this is as simple as it is. And then you would simply go here and click share, and you would click on download, and you would download your video. So this is showing that my video has downloaded, and as you can see right here on the bottom left, my video is downloading to my computer. Okay, so what I would do is open up my YouTube channel. I would click on upload video. And from here, what would happen is it would allow me to upload my video onto YouTube. And then you would, of course, click on select file. I'm clicking on the video that I just downloaded from Canva. It's now uploading my video. I can create a title. From here, relaxing rain music for prayer and meditation, right? Or however you would want to word it. And then in the description, you would just, I usually like to copy the title here and then also put a little bit more. This video will help to relax you. It is also great for prayer and meditation. Right, and you can word it however you'd like to word it. If you wanted to create a thumbnail, you could always create a thumbnail. And you would just wait for your video to upload in this section. This is as simple as it is. So as you can see here, our YouTube channel has uploaded the video. You could always click a thumbnail, or you could use a thumbnail that's from the video. If you create a thumbnail, then you would upload it right here, right? If you wanted to add it to a playlist, I do not want to add it to a playlist. And we would just click next. I'm going to say, no, it's not made for kids. I could add some tags in here. So the tags are very helpful. So I could put relaxation as a tag. I can choose some other tags from my add-on. I could add some other tags that will be helpful with people searching for my video. Next, do I want to monetize it? Yes, I do. Now, you won't have the monetization option if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, okay? And then I would just click next. And then I would just click next again. I like to choose public because that means anyone can watch my video. You could schedule your video for another day. You could set it as a premiere. And that's it. And you would just click schedule if you wanted to schedule it, or if you want to publish it, you would just click public, click on publish, and bam, just like that, you have a video published.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Terry On Demand, where we're giving you the hottest information that you want to know about. Do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and share this video with somebody who you know will benefit from this information. Listen, check out the description box where you can pick up my new ebook that I've just written just for you. Have a great day and see you on the next episode.